Hi everyone, today I want to give you three short talk on audio test 1. Let's begin. Short talk number 1. First, the speaker announced a careless man had started a 520-acre forest fire not far from the town of White River, New York, and the fire had been 75% under control on Wednesday, according to firefighters. Then he commented it had cost close to $1 million so far to fight the fire, and he announced a spokesperson for the fire department had said the cause had been a smoker who had threw his cigarettes out his car window. Next, he announced the fire had started in the state park and destroyed campgrounds and recreational area there. So, park visitors, including a troop Boy Scout, had taken shelter in town. After that, he announced the fire also threatened houses just outside a White River. 500 people had fled their homes at the height of the fire Monday night. Finally, he announced firefighters have been able to save that area and authority have said the fire should be completely put out by that day. Short talk number 2. First, the speaker announced they were changing their name. However, she said they were keeping their promises for in case Wheeler hospitalists have been providing low income and indigent people with highest quality medical care. Next, she commented, it was time to create a separate identity so people would recognize what they did. And she said that was why they were changing their name of their faculty to the Albert Schweitzer Hospital. After that, she commented, inspired by the work of the great Dr. Schweitzer, that they have renewed their commitment to excellence and quality, offering more service and setting new standards uh, for medical treatment. Finally, she announced the Albert Schweitzer Hospital was another name for positive results. Short talk number 3. First, the speaker announced Fuji House was a Japanese restaurant of a wonderful aroma and tasty, and it specialized in seafood, and its sushi was the best people could find anywhere. Next, he announced it also offered delicious tempura, several tasty chicken dishes, and wonderful sweet and sour pork, and served a variety of vegetarian dishes too, and all dishes were more moderately priced. After that, he announced Fuji House open for lunch and dinner 7 days a week, and it opened early for breakfast on Saturday, Sunday only, and a delicious and reasonably priced business lunch special was available Monday through Friday. Finally, he suggested visiting Fuji House if they liked traditional Japanese cooking with modern flair. Thanks for listening.